Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to make $125 per hour using Google Translate. That's right, you heard me right. You can make a good amount of money by using Google Translate. Hit the like button and let's get started. Number 1. Find websites. Now, let me explain how this method works. First, you need to find websites that offer translation services. Many such websites are available on the internet, and you can easily find them by doing a quick Google search. Once you have found a few of these websites, create accounts on them. One of the easiest ways to find such websites is to do a quick Google search using relevant keywords such as translation services, online translation, or translate documents online. This should bring up a list of websites that offer translation services. However, not all of these websites may be suitable for your needs. Some websites may not pay well, while others may compete highly for translation jobs. Therefore, it's essential to do some research and vet the websites before signing up. One way to do this is to read reviews from other translators or users who have used the website. This can give you an idea of the quality of work and the payment process. You can also check the website's terms and conditions to understand their policies regarding payments, deadlines, and quality standards. Another approach is to join online communities or forums where translators share their experiences and website recommendations. This can be a great way to get insights from other professionals and discover new websites that you may have yet to find on your own. Not all websites may require you to create an account or register. Some websites allow you to submit your translations as a guest or on a per-project basis. However, signing up for an account on multiple websites can help you increase your visibility and access to more translation jobs. Number 2. Finding clients. Next, you need to find clients who need translations. There are many ways to do this, but one of the easiest ways is to go on freelance websites, such as Upwork or Freelancer. Once you have found a client, offer to translate their documents using Google Translate. Now, websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr allow you to create a profile and showcase your skills and experience. You can search for translation jobs and bid on projects matching your skills and rates. When bidding on projects, it's essential to customize your proposals to the specific job requirements and to highlight your relevant experience and qualifications. You should also provide a clear and detailed quote, including your rates and any additional fees for proofreading or formatting. Another approach is to reach out to potential clients directly. You can use LinkedIn, social media, or industry-specific websites to find companies or individuals who may need translations. You can then offer your services and explain how you can help them with their needs. Networking can also be a powerful way to find clients. You can attend industry events, join professional associations or groups, and connect with other translators and language professionals. You can gain referrals and repeat business by building relationships and staying active in the community. It's also essential to be proactive and to constantly seek new opportunities. You can set up alerts on job boards or social media for translation jobs, or monitor the websites of companies that operate in your target languages. You can also offer discounts or promotions to attract new clients or to incentivize existing ones to refer you to others. Number 3. Use proofreading tools. You might think that Google Translate is inaccurate, and that is true to some extent. However, the good news is that you don't need to be an expert translator to make money using this method. All you need is to make sure the translated text makes sense and is readable. You can proofread the text yourself or use a proofreading tool such as Grammarly. Grammarly can detect and correct errors in real time, and it can also provide suggestions for improving the clarity and tone of your writing. It works by analyzing your text and comparing it to a database of grammar rules and best practices. Another tool you can use is Hemingway Editor, designed to improve your text's readability. Hemingway Editor can highlight long and complex sentences, passive voice, and common errors such as an adverb overuse. It can also provide suggestions by simplifying your text and making it more concise. You can also use translation software such as SDL Tardos or MemoQ, specifically designed for professional translators. These software programs can help you manage translation projects, maintain consistency across documents, and improve the quality of your translations. They also offer proofreading features such as spell checkers and grammar checkers. When using proofreading tools, it's essential to remember that they could be better and may not catch all the errors. Therefore, you must review your translations manually and exercise your judgment and knowledge of the language. You should also be aware of the limitations of the tools and the potential for errors or inaccuracies. Number 4, ask for payments from clients. Once you have translated the text, send it to the client and ask for payment. You can charge anywhere from 5 cents to 10 cents per word, depending on the text's language and complexity. You can easily make $125 per hour or even more if you're fast and efficient. Here are some tips on how to ask for payments from clients. Be clear about your payment terms. Before starting a project, ensure that you and the client agree on the payment terms, including the amount, the deadline, and the payment method. It's essential to have a written agreement or contract that outlines these terms. Send invoice promptly. Once you have completed the translation work, send an invoice to the client promptly. Your invoice should include the details of the work you have done, the amount due, and the payment due date. You can also use online invoicing tools like FreshBooks or QuickBooks to make this process easier. Follow up politely. If payment is not received by the due date, send a polite reminder to the client. You can do this by email or phone. Maintaining a professional tone and avoiding being aggressive or confrontational is crucial. Be persistent, but respectful. If the client continues to delay the payment or refuses to pay, you may need further action. This could include sending a final demand letter or seeking legal assistance. However, it's important to remain respectful and professional throughout the process. Consider using escrow services. If you are working with a new client or a client you are not familiar with, consider using an escrow service to ensure that you get paid for your work. Escrow services hold the client's payment until the job is completed to their satisfaction, protecting both parties. It's important to note that while Google Translate is a great tool, it could be better. Some languages and dialects may need to be translated accurately, and nuances can get lost. Therefore, it's essential to exercise caution when using Google Translate and to be mindful of any potential inaccuracies. To mitigate these risks, you can use a few strategies to improve the quality of your translations. For example, you can use multiple translation tools and compare the results to ensure accuracy. You can also research the specific language and dialect to better understand its nuances and context. Another tip is to focus on translating content that you're familiar with. For example, if you're a native English speaker, you may want to focus on translating English to another language rather than vice versa. This way, you can better understand the original text, which can help you produce a more accurate translation. Additionally, you can leverage your language skills to specialize in specific niches or industries. For example, if you're fluent in Spanish, you can focus on translating legal or medical documents for Spanish-speaking clients. This can help you stand out from other translators and command higher rates. Finally, it's essential to market yourself effectively to attract clients. You can create a profile on freelance websites and optimize it with relevant keywords and phrases. You can also reach out to potential clients directly and offer your services. Networking with other translators and industry professionals can help you find new clients and opportunities. So that's it. That's how you can make money using Google Translate. It's a simple method that doesn't require any special skills or experience. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to work. So why not try it and see how much money you can make? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out our most popular ones. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications for more make money online methods.